Now we are going to do mixed fruit cupcake. So now we are going to do some fruit mixing here, which is the most important part of our fruit cake making. So remember, we had bought all the stuff yesterday. We had gone to the shops, we had bought the fruits, we came back, we chopped everything. And into that, I'm going to add some alcohol. Now, alcohol is one of the most important parts of Christmas baking. So I've got some rum here. So you can put some rum into the fruits. You can even add brandy, you can add whiskey, gin, whatever. Mix it well, and they have to be put into these sterilized jars. So it's all mixed up and kept in this bottle. Now I'm going to close this and keep it to marinate for say about 1 or 2 months. After that, see, it looks like that. Nice and dark marinated fruit. This is ideal for making your fruit cakes, etc. for your Christmas time. Now, we are going to do mixed fruit cupcake. Remember the fruits which we had soaked and kept? We'll be using about 100 grams of that. Then we have about 60 grams of butter, unsalted butter. Then 120 grams of sugar powder and about 100 grams of maida, which is sieved with about half spoon of baking powder, 1 spoon of vanilla. This is what we need. We have these cupcake liners, so you take one of each and keep it onto each of your cupcake mold. So into our bowl, firstly we need butter, 60 grams of it into the bowl, and then using a mixer or your hand, you need to beat that in one direction until it is nice and soft. And into that, I'm going to add sugar powder, which we have already weighed and kept. So now, incorporate the sugar into the butter. First, you could use a spoon so that it's mixed in well, and then you could use the beater. Now, we need to take 3 eggs. Into that, I need to add some vanilla essence. And again, I'm going to add these one at a time into the batter. So you have a nice, pale and smooth batter. Now, I need to get another bowl, and into that bowl, I'm going to add all the maida. And with that, we'll add our marinated fruits. Mix it up really well so that all the fruit particles are coated with the maida. So that is what we need to do here. So now your maida mixture with the fruit goes into the batter. And then fold the mixture. Now folding is one method of mixing where you don't allow the air to drop, because you have incorporated a lot of air inside, so we don't want that air to go. See, this is such a de-stressing way of spending your time baking cakes. So let all the maida be incorporated. You get a nice stiff dough which is of a dropping consistency. Now you see all the fruits are also inside, and you have a nice dropping consistency. You see that? That's what we need. Now your batter is all done, and I'm going to transfer these onto your cupcake molds. Remember, we had lined them with paper. So again, you need to see while making cupcakes, all the batter should come right into the middle of the liner, and we don't want tails along the sides because those will burn and it won't look nice. So now we take the cupcakes and put it into the oven, which is already heated, and I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes. So you take it out and you need to just mark it with a skewer, just point it with a skewer and then see if it comes out dry, it's done. So your cupcakes are done.